Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's topic, I'm going to teach you on how to make your Windows File Explorer translucent. Let's hop into the steps. First, let's turn on the transparency effect on your computer. Click the search icon below and then type transparency effect. Open the system settings. Next, turn on the button under it. Now open your browser and search for the Explorer Blur Mica. Then open the website by GitHub. Next, click on the latest release version on the side. Scroll down until you see the assets and click the Release x64 zip file to download it. Now, after downloading the zip file, go over to your Downloads folder. Then extract the zip file. Right-click on it. Then select Extract. Now, after extracting the file, open the Release folder. Then to install it, right-click on the Register. Then choose Run as Administrator in the pop-up. Click OK on the pop-up. And then close the pop-up window. Next, exit your File Explorer. Then relaunch the File Explorer. And you can see that it now became a translucent File Explorer. If you want to change the opacity of it, go over to the release file again. Then double-click on the config file. Now adjust the opacity by changing the value beside A option to 0. Next, click on the file, then select Save. After that, close the window. Then restart your File Explorer. Refresh your computer. Then see if the File Explorer has been changed to a nice translucent one. Now, if you wish to uninstall this and go back to the normal File Explorer, simply go back to the release file. Then right-click on the uninstalled file and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes in the pop-up, and it will show that it will be terminated, and that's it.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.